Hi, I'm George with Argo Electrical. Welcome to our video on ground fault circuit interrupters. So, if you look at this drawing right here, we pulled this off the internet just for training purposes. Wanted to show you actually how ground fault circuit interrupter breakers actually work, right? So you see right here, you've got the green bar, that's a ground bar. It's got the green wire and it brings it over here to the ground screw on the receptacle. The GFI breaker has a test button right here. You can see the yellow button there. The red button is the hot wire, which goes out of the breaker and goes back to the copper side of the receptacle. And of course, the breaker is fed hot from the bottom of the breaker where it mounts onto the bus of the panel. Then you have the silver screw. It has the little twirly white wire that goes to the neutral bar. And you notice the neutral bar is not connected to the green bar, the ground bar, right? That only happens at the service entrance. Is the only place that the neutral and the ground are tied together. But then if you look to the line side of, or the load side, excuse me, of the neutral wire comes out of the breaker and it goes back to the silver side of the receptacle. So inside this breaker is a shunt trip. So when this breaker, what this thing does is it actually senses the amount of watts flowing through the electrical circuit. Alternating current has, it works like a magnet. You've got the positive energy running one way, and it runs completely in exact 360 degrees apart from each other. The positive on one side, the negative on the other. What this breaker does is it senses a difference of wattage. When that thing gets out of whack, then it will trip. It actually will test itself like every 0.04 nanoseconds now. The improvements for this breaker is that now if the breaker is faulty, instead of it being basically frozen, closed, or energy flowing through it, it will not work if it is not doing the self-test properly. And obviously a good trick is to come up and test these buttons in your panel every 30 days or so. This is George with Argo Electrical. Thanks for watching our video. Have a good day.